solve the simultaneous equations, you must show all your working. So here we have two equations, 2p minus q equal to 7 is the first one, and second one is 3p plus 2q equal to 7. So here what you can do is you can manipulate the first equation to get the value of q. So let me just do it here. Here we have 2p minus q equal to 7. So I'm going to isolate q and take everything else to the other side. So I'm going to bring the q over here and 7 over here. So that will be 2p minus 7 equal to q. So that's the value of q. Now in the second equation, instead of q, we can directly substitute this value. So I'm going to do just the same. 3p plus 2 times of, instead of q, I'm taking 2p minus 7 equal to 7. And 3p plus 2 times 2 is 4p minus 14 equal to 7. So that is, when you simplify this, you get 7p equal to 21. So that means p equal to 21 by 7, which is equal to 3. So that's the value of p. Next, when you substitute this value of p in any of these two equations, you're going to get the value of q here. So let me take the first equation. Here, instead of p, I'm going to substitute the value 3. Minus q equal to 7. So 6 minus q equal to 7. Q is equals to minus 1. So that's the value of q, and this is the value of p. Next, solve the equation x by 4 plus 2x by 3 equal to 1. So here the first thing that you do is cross multiply for the numerator. So that is 3 times of x plus 4 times of 2x upon 4 into 3, which is 12 equal to 1. I'm going to take this 12 to the other side. So that will be 3x plus 8x equal to 12, which is equal to 11x equal to 12. So x is simply 12 upon 11. That's the value. Next we have solve the inequality minus 8 less than 3x minus 2 less than equal to 7. Alright. So here let's try to simplify this middle term such that it only has x. Right now we have 3x minus 2. We just need to convert it to x. So let's add 2 to each of these sides. So that will be minus 8 plus 2 less than 3x minus 2 plus 2 less than equal to 7 plus 2. So the first step is I'm just adding 2 in all of these sides. Why am I doing that? Because my aim is to cancel out this minus 2 in the middle here. So this gets cancelled. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6 less than 3x less than equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. Now here all of these are multiples of 3, so we can divide each of these with 3. So we get minus 2 divide with 3. So we get minus 2 less than x less than equal to 3. So that is how you solve this inequality. Next, find the integer values of x such that it satisfies the inequality. So here, as you can see, the range of x operates within minus 2 and 3. So the only values of x that you can assume here is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm including the third value, I'm including the last value as 3. Why? Because as you can see here, the inequality is not just less than, it's less than equal to, which means it also includes the value of 3. Next we have factorize completely 16a minus 4a square. So this is pretty simple. Let's take 4 common in both of these terms. We have 4a minus a square. Next, you can also see that a is common in these two terms. So I'm going to take a common as well. So I'm left with 4a into 4 minus a. Next, write each of the following as a single fraction in its simplest form. So here we have 1 by 2a divided by 3 by 4b. So whenever we have fraction in the denominator, we take it, we flip it, take the reciprocal of that fraction and put a multiplication sign. So let me just show you what I mean. Here we have 1 by 2a and this fraction is in the denominator, right? So the way we solve this is take the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. So that would simply be 4b upon 3 and put a multiplication sign in between. So this is applicable to any sum where you have fraction in the denominator. You're going to take its reciprocal and put a multiplication sign in between. So now as you can see, 2 times 2, 2. So it is 2b upon 3a. So that's the simplest form of this question. Next we have 2 minus x by x minus 1. So here the first thing that you do is cross multiply, of course. Here instead of 2, we can just take 2 by 1 if it's making more sense for you. So it's 2 times of x minus 1 into 1 into x. So that is going to be 2 into x minus 1 minus x upon, in the denominator we have x minus 1, right? So that's just open the brackets over here. We get 2x minus 2 minus x upon x minus 1, and when you simplify this you get x minus 2 upon x minus 1.